Today we'll talk about how can you face this problem or know how you can do that on your Paidwork app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Paidwork app, or just click on search. Then here at Paidwork app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down here. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.